video I will be showing you how to find the account settings on your on the settings section on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application. Now as you see here on these three lines up here, click on it and then go to the settings, and here you will find account. So as you see here, and now you can manage your account section as you like. You can change the email or birthday, the password, and the handle, and that's it. That's how to change or how to find the account section easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.